Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your Character AI account. So it's pretty much simple. Just watch me closely. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Character AI account that you want to delete. I'd like you to know that it's just going to be so sad for Character AI to see you go. But then, for whatever reason that you want to remove or delete your account, I would like you to know that it could be a great choice. Yeah, it could be a great choice. But then you cannot delete an account that you have not created. Okay, so for those watching or for those starting out this Character AI tutorial for the first time, I'm just going to walk you through the process of creating an account, and then we're going to head over to how to remove or delete your account. First things first, launch any browser of your choice. That's the perk. Now you can definitely use any browser of your choice. I'm using Chrome. Now from the browser, head over to the search bar. In the search bar, type beta.character.ai, and it's going to take you to the official website for Character AI. In the website, top right corner, you're going to find the sign up button. Click on that and follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. And once you're done creating your account, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Character AI. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to delete or remove your account on Character AI. So in Character AI, they don't call it delete, it's actually remove. So let's see how we can remove this account and get rid of Character AI. From this homepage, head over to the top right corner of the screen. You're going to find this profile icon, beautifully drawn as a human. So click on that and it's going to take you to your profile settings. Beautiful. So these are all the characters that I have created, and of course I've had so much fun on Character AI, and I just want to get rid of this account and say, oh sweet, I don't want you anymore. Here where you have get Character AI plus, you're going to see profile setting. Click on your profile settings. It's going to open you up to this window. Awesome. So left corner, you're going to find account and you're going to find preferences. Now click on preferences. Here you have dark mode. Oh no, I don't need the dark mode for anything. Now check below, you're going to see log out, and of course you're going to see remove account. So sad. Select remove account. That's all. Select remove account and your account will be deleted. And that's pretty sad. Very sad. Really sad. But go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps your search.